I forgot to specify how to add a chart inside a presentation. I add a new slide and I have my box empty with 4 buttons inside. I can insert a table, insert a chart, insert a movie, and insert a picture. I will use insert a chart. You can choose different layouts of this part of the slide. If you click on slide layout, you can choose to divide the slide in different sections. In one section, 2 sections, 3 sections, and as you see, each section has the same format of the master slide, the same format, the same style, everything. So I choose to have only one. I click on insert chart, and this is an automatic chart that compares. I want to modify the data. Here I have, for instance, 3 series of data, but I need only 2 of them. So I click on Y values and I delete the columns in order to have only categories and Y values. For instance, I want to make a chart showing the components of my office. So I have, for instance, one director. I have then programmers. I have 8 programmers. Agents. I have 9 of them. And I have some. I can also skip these. I can also delete the row and having only 3 information or 3 categories. Okay, as you can see here, you have the chart automatically done. You can modify not only the data but also the chart type. For instance, you want it to be a pie chart. You have different options also inside the chart itself. If you click on it and then if you right click, so you click with the left to select an item, to select an object. You right click if you want to change the properties of the object selected. For instance, format data series, you can choose to have different borders, to have different area colors. And according to the place where you click on, you have different objects to modify. For instance, here you can modify the extension of your graph. Here you can modify one single slice, and or you can modify all. You want to, for instance, insert data labels. And you have these numbers which are really small. You want to modify them. Format data labels. For instance, you want them to be shown as percentages, and you want the font to be bigger. You can also choose to insert the data labels inside the chart. Placement inside. Clearly you can change the color and so on. These were not changed. Format data label. If you have some problem, you have to modify one by one. You can also modify a color. And for this one, from a single data label, font. You want it to be white, so it is easy to see, to be seen. Okay, that's it. Save it. And here it is your chart. As I said, you can change the chart. So chart type, you can even select okay, the column as it was before. You can change also into line. Okay, clearly these values have no sense. And this is the best for this data type. Remember that in any case, we will learn how to use OpenOffice Calc. We will learn how to manage data, how to analyze data, and clearly how to make different kind of charts. Pie charts, the line chart as this was, and bar charts. So do not worry, you will feel much more confident after the lesson related to Calc.